Leftover piece of meatloaf here, and it's breakfast time, so why not? Finna make me a meatloaf omelet. Yeah, yeah. First, you get your 3 eggs, season with salt and pepper to your taste. Beat them up real good now, y'all. Now you get your meatloaf and just crumble it up. Break it up, as small and as big as you want to have it. Break it up. You don't have to use this big old piece. You know how much you want in your omelet. Break it up real good. Yeah, yeah. Now, get you some oil down in your trusted cast iron skillet. And then you're going to take those eggs that you beat up, drop them in. After it's hot. Real hot. Roll it around. Make sure the egg gets in a nice circle. Then you're gonna take, I'm gonna take, you do it however you want to do it. Some sharp cheddar cheese. Throw that down all the way around the eggs. Yeah. Just like that. You're gonna come in with your meat, the meatloaf that you crumbled up. Dump that all in there. Off to one side. Just put it on one side. Then we're gonna take, spread it like that even. Then we're gonna take us some pepper jack cheese. If I can get it open. Pepper jack on top of the meatloaf. Yes, sir. Now a little cheese, so a little bit more. Make sure all that meat covered. Just like this there. Take your spatula. See if it's ready yet to be flipped. Knock the edges down. See it's quite ready yet. I'm gonna give it another second or two. Yes, sir. Today my birthday too, y'all. I'm cooking my own birthday breakfast, but my wife is at work. School started back today. My son's at school. Yeah. I'm enjoying my birthday breakfast by myself. Yes, sir. She's ready to flip now. Just scoop up under it. Flip it on over. Like this there. Woo! Man. Burnt myself. Get all that cheese getting melty, nice and melty now. Turn the fire on. Bam. Be ready to plate it up. Yeah, yeah. Be back with y'all when I plate it up. Yes, sir. And there you go, y'all. A good old meatloaf omelet. And this right here, just a little of the filling that fell out when I was taking it out the skillet. But y'all know what time it is. It's grub time. Yeah. And if y'all want to send me a good birthday gift, my cash app is D Kirts. That's the money sign, lowercase d, KIRTS. Y'all hit me up and bless me today. Yeah.